Here's to another video of learning the basics of how to use the Go mining platform. Of course, your overall objective is to earn BTC, but or Bitcoin. But these the total reward, the total earned Bitcoin that you get every day wouldn't be the gross mined amount or value of Bitcoin, but it's the total proceeds. Why? Because in using the Go mining platform, the company itself charges or deducts fees from the earned Bitcoin by your miners. So, what are these three basic fees that are being charged by the platform? So, let's check this out inside the inside our accounts. So here it goes. All you have to do is to go to the rewards section, and then you'll see the historical record of all the rewards that you've received for daily on a daily basis. So for this one, the total pool reward would be 13.0. This is for May 2026. So your pool reward would be 13.08, but this is not the reward, the net reward that you will be getting, because this amount will be deducted with the charges of using the platform. So these three charges are the electricity fees, this one, and then the service fees. And the third one would be the maintenance discount. So, for example, in my account, I have a maintenance discount of 25.24%. So, meaning the all the charges being charged by the platform as against my total earned BTC reward for the day. On top of that, I'll be getting a discount of 25.24%. So this is the third charge being deducted on the total reward. So what I'm getting for the day, this May 2026, would be 5.45 Go mining token. So your next question will be, why is it in Go mining token? Because as previously covered in my previous video, I chose to receive my my mining reward in Go mining tokens. But if you opt that you should receive your mining reward in BTC or Bitcoin, you can do that as well. All you have to do is to uh, choose the right option, the option that you like here. As I've said before, you can opt to receive your tokens or your rewards in Go mining tokens, or you may choose to improve the mining power of your miner, or you may choose to receive your rewards in BTC. So that's all you have to do. So basically, going back to the question, what are the fees being charged by the platform in earning uh, Bitcoin using the Go mining platform? There are only three fees: the electricity fee, the service fee, and then the uh, maintenance discount. Because in the maintenance discount, you get to deposit Go mining tokens, wherein the platform deducts from these tokens the charge in order to maintain your total discount uh, rate. So what you get is the net reward for the day here. So you can see as well the computation. So that's it for this video. Basically answering the basic question: what are the fees being charged in using the Go mining platform, and where are these fees being reflected? So it's here. They are fairly transparent about it, actually, the company. So thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel. And if you want to create your own Go mining account, just click the link in the description box. And it will lead you to the registration page of the Go mining uh, platform. Thanks a lot. Enjoy your day.